Welcome to Blma Machinery. Today we are showing our 105-axis tube bending machine, producing 6mm automotive exhaust pipes, equipped with 5 servo motors and 21-inch large screen IPC. The machine delivers fully automatic bending with high precision, smooth operation, and perfect repeatability. The IPC can directly import 3D files and also supports remote operation, making programming faster, easier, and more intelligent.
This exhaust pipe uses straight stock tooling with the same bending radius. Because the straight sections between bends are extremely short, special compound die are added to avoid interference and ensure stable, accurate bending throughout the process. With advanced servo control and specialized tooling design, this machine can handle complex exhaust pipe bending with outstanding forming quality and production efficiency. Blma 100 Model 5 axis, built for demanding automotive exhaust manufacturing.